Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can unpublish your site from Wix. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in my dashboard currently, and I'm in my site overview. However, what I'll be doing now is going over into my site editor. And this is exactly what you're going to do if you have your site published. Now, my site as of the current moment is not published, simply because I do not have the means to do so at the current moment. However, if your site was published, you will have the option to unpublish it. The reason I'm mentioning this is because my menu will look slightly different from yours. However, I am pretty sure that I can explain in my own words how you can unpublish your site. You just have to click 3 buttons. Now, once we're at this point over here, what you want to do is go into the site tab right next to the Wix logo in your editor. Keep in mind, so not from the dashboard, you need to be in your editor. Then click on site. From here, as you can see, I have all these options, and I have the publish option over here. As I mentioned, my site is not published. However, over here, as you can see, you have the options to create a new site, to duplicate the site, transfer it, and move it to trash. Now here, right under duplicate site, you will have the option to unpublish your site. You're going to want to click on that option. Then you'll be brought to a new window where you will need to select unpublish again, and another pop-up will appear just to confirm that you want to unpublish it. You just need to click unpublish once more, and after you do that, your site will be unpublished. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Again, I'm sorry that I couldn't show you how to unpublish it exactly. However, I'm pretty sure I did a very good job of explaining it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.